Major General Antony Anderson will be leading the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, NaRRA, effective June 1. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness made this announcement during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House.
I was only informed of the end result, so just in case anybody thought that I kept a distance for good reason. The final decision came down to someone who has served the country very well. And the decision was to appoint Major General Antony Anderson.
NaRRA, established under newly enacted legislation, will serve as the government's central body for coordinating post-hurricane reconstruction and resilience efforts, with responsibility for reducing bureaucracy and improving project delivery.
And as fate would have it, I had tasked him to review the state's response to Hurricane Beryl, which would have included a review of all the entities involved in the response, but specifically a review of ODPEM. So he is already in proximity to these issues.